Welcome to Techie Dialogue, where today we will learn how to clean Google Chrome virus and keep your browser safe and running smoothly. In this video, I will show you simple steps to remove harmful extensions, reset settings, and scan for malware. Step 1. Open Google Chrome and click the 3 vertical dots in the top right corner to access the main menu. This is where all browser options and tools are located. Step 2. Select Extensions, then Manage Extensions. Here you will see a list of all add-ons installed in your browser, which is important because some extensions can carry malware. Step 3. Carefully review the extensions and look for any that are suspicious or unknown, as these could be harmful and may be causing unwanted pop-ups or redirects. Step 4. Click Remove next to any unwanted or suspicious extension to uninstall it. If you suspect it is unsafe, use the Report Abuse option, then confirm by clicking Remove. Step 5. To ensure Chrome is fully clean, click the 3 dots again, go to Settings, select Reset Settings from the left sidebar, then click Restore Settings to their original defaults. This removes unwanted changes while keeping your bookmarks and passwords safe. Thank you for watching, and do not forget to subscribe to Techie Dialogue for more helpful tech tutorials.